I don't even see any marks up here anymore. Where they go?
You need your measuring tape?
Yeah.
We need some Earl.
I don't think it's battery's gonna do it.
That's a new battery. We need some Earl. Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. Wait a minute, I'll help you.
Okay. I don't want it to roll now.
Alrighty then. Oh, I'm putting this one stop thing on it. Well, that didn't work.
Huh?
I turned the brakes on. Apparently that didn't work.
there. I have no way to twist that.
Do you want me to get up on that ladder and push it over?
Well, you just push the bottom over. The bottom's not fastened.
Well, what can we do to fix it?
The only thing I know is we can, except I don't see one,
What?
we need to screw a big 2x4 to it and twist it, but
Okay.
I don't think you can twist it. And number one, once you twist it and I put screws in, I think as soon as you let off, it's going to twist back. So,
Well, I can go get a 2x4 and we can try it. Because if you put that in there, it,
you know that all this wood is so flimsy. If I had a good piece of wood, I could cut a fork in it that you could just set over this and push against it, but it just split.
All right, so what do we need to do?
I need Hercules.
Yeah. If you screwed a 2x4 in there, I could. Okay.
Okay, when we put our blocking in, those ends are 90 degrees, and we screw it to this double header, this board will have to stand up. I mean, it won't have a choice.
Okay.
And so right now we're just fighting.
So we just leave it just like that without putting the nails in?
No, I'm gonna shoot the nails in
Okay.
so that it's held down. And then when we get ready to put that blocking in, we'll have to twist it open for the blocking to go, but then the blocking's going to hold it in position.
Okay.
All right then. This side's square. This side's twisted all up.
Pooh.
That's what it's got to be. Look how twisted that front end is.
Yep. Well, it's not supposed to be super cold in the daytime. It's supposed to be like 30s and high 40s, possibly even 50 the rest of the week.
Supposed to be 70 tomorrow, but nothing but rain, 100%.
You didn't shoot this one over here, did you?
Huh?
You shoot that one?
Yeah.
With nails?
Yeah, and a big long screw.
Alright. I need to dig me a hole down there. I gotta dig me a level spot.
Man, it's twisted.
You want me to get 2x4? You think it'd help?
Man.
What about this one? Can you
That's
do
nail.
that? No,
That's
it's
screwed
got
in.
a nail in
Yeah, it's.
You want me to get a 2x4? Or bend it?
We need something.
All right, we got some down here.
If you're going to get a 2x4, get that other screw gun that's in there too.
Okay.
Dad tried to get me from coming up here. So it's gonna be pouring down rain. I said, no, it ain't. I gotta change my tip again to put this screw in. That's the one thing I hate on these guns. Somebody needs to design one.
They do. They have a thing, Daryl, that screws in. Look, like what you got right there. Hey, it bolts in. You pull it out, flip it over, and you got one side. You pull it out, turn it back over, and you got another side. All it just slides in.
All right. Go a little past that. Okay. Let's see. Hey.
I mean, I look at a lot of those tools.
All right, let off a little. Let's see what happens. All right. Let me get my nail gun.
I keep an eye on all those tech tools.
Yeah.
Man, Daryl, they got stuff out there that makes things so easy.
Well, I wish we had it.
Like electricians, he's got a little two-piece thing that connects together on each other. You strip wires, roll wires together, and ring the wing nut, the wing nut on it.
Yeah.
All almost on the same thing.
Okay. Now let me swap. Unscrew that.
That straightened up pretty daggum good there.
Well, we'll find out when I take his board off. Let's see if that would fit in that socket,
Right.
but it won't. This gun I rebuilt still going so far.
Can you take Daryl and jump her off a battery to another different kind of drill? Alligator flipping a positive and a negative from one to the other.
Okay, I'm not sure I understand your question.
All right, if I take a battery, say a D-Watt battery,
Yeah.
alligator clip the positive and the negative, alligator clip it to a different brand of electric power stuff, but it doesn't take much spray. Back, and I had no, and I was sleeping in the car. I mean, what that lady done? Her son dumped a dog that had puppies, kind of like a pit, one of them white and sort of reddish pits. Dumped them in front of a laundromat. 7 puppies walked out there and stood in the front for a sound like 3 dogs with the man and 19 trees outside. The people saw them, got them and brought them in. 3 of them died. They froze to death. And so they've had her on the news. Everybody wants to hang her.
Hang her high.
She's been on the news for, like I said, about 3 weeks. And they're finding homes for the puppies and stuff. But the mama was so curled up tight as she could be. I'm surprised she didn't kill them, trying to keep them warm. And that guy at the laundromat took her in, put her in the room, heated and stuff, and was feeding her and everything.
too lazy.
Oh, she's been getting all kinds of threats, everything. And I'm hoping some people will learn something from that.
Okay, we got one half of this done. As you can see, these boards are 16 feet long, and quite a few of them are twisted. They're not bowed, but they are twisted. And so it won't do anything but make it stronger anyway. So we're going to put some blocking, and of course we'll use that to straighten them up. That'll straighten up the twist and get them out of it. And then hopefully soon we start this other side and can get this thing done. We're also going to put diagonal 45 beams between the side up to the ridge. And so what that'll do is basically you've only got a 16-foot span after that that's unsupported, and that is a triple 12. And they're not only screwed together, nailed together, but they're also glued together. So that ain't gonna have any problem handling that on a 16-foot span.